This is part 2 of the April 10/April 6 lab report. This is part 2. You don't have to watch part 1, but you can if you want. The video correlating to this lab report will also be listed in the video description below. Introduction. In this lab, you will learn how to complete a titration and the common calculations in the titration lab. Research question. Why do we need to do titration? Hypothesis. By performing titration, you will know how the molarity of a solution that you didn't know before. Variables. Independent variable, acid-base indicator. Dependent variable, acidic acid in vinegar. Controlled variable, the speed at which the indicator is added. Safety notes. Be cautious using an open flame. Tie up long hair, push up long sleeves, remove loose, dangling clothing and/or jewelry, remove gloves and goggles. Materials. Acetic acid in vinegar, which is also known as the analyte. The titrant, which is sodium hydroxide. An Aaron-Meyer flask, a burette, a graduated cylinder, a phenolphthalein, which is the acid-base indicator. It's pronounced like this, but it's spelled like this. And you will also need distilled water. Your procedure. Record the volume of the titrant in the burette. Intermittently add the titrant in, stirring in between, adding the titrant. Repeat step 1 until you see the pink color start to persist. You will then need to slow down your addition of the titrant. Clean your flask with distilled water. See the video in description for more detailed explanation. The timestamp will also be included there. Start to add the titrant only 1 drop at a time now. Once the pink color from your titrant has persisted for 10 or more seconds, you have reached the end point of the titration. Record the volume of titrant in the burette. Calculate the molarity of the solution. Conclusion. Now you know how to complete a titration experiment.